students, I am your Jaheer Sir and welcome to the Jaheer Sir's math class. Today I am going to explain how to change non-terminating recurring decimal in P by Q form. What is non-terminating recurring decimal? Recurring decimal means it is also a rational number. Let us check. For example, 0.3 bar. What it means? This one is a non-terminating recurring decimal. How can we change it into P by Q form? It is a shortcut method. First, you should write 3 means a whole number, and then under the bar how many digits are there? Only one digit. That's why only 9. 3 by 9 is P by Q form of 3 bar. Like that only 0.5 bar. How can we write? 5 by 9. Okay. Now 1.6 bar. What is the value of this one? Here we can write 1.6 is there, so 16. We can write 16, and then this which is not under the bar, the digits which are not under the bar, you should subtract this one, means 15. So here answer is 15 by under the bar only one digit is there, so 19. Okay. Now what about this one? 1.25 bar. Now here under the bar one digit is there, means decimal points. After decimal point one digit is there, which is not under the bar, and one digit under the bar. So how can we write this one in seconds only? First you should write 125, and digits which are not under the bar 1, 2. So subtract 1, 2. What we get? 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. Here 1 means 113 by under the bar how many digits are there? Only one digit, so 19, and after the decimal one more digit is there, that's why you should write 0. Remember, this type is very important. Okay. Now 12.05 bar. Now how can we write this one? Same process. First you should write without bar, and then which are not under the bar, digits which are not under the bar means 120. You should subtract 120 here. Now 5, here 10, so 10 minus 2, 8. Here bar gone means 1 minus 1, 0, 1 means this one is 1085 by how much? Under the bar one digit, so 19, and then after the point one more digit is there which is not under the bar, so you can write 10. Okay. Next, for example, 2.356 bar. Now how can we write this one? First, without bar you should write complete 2356, and then number formed by which are not under the bar 23. So you should subtract 23. Then here 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 2 also 3. Here also 3. Here 2. 2333 by how much? Under the bar how many digits are there? 2 digits. So 2 nines. After that, after point one more digit is there which is not under the bar. Remember that, which is number of digits which are not under the bar, you should write that much of zeros here. So this one is 0. Understood? Now one more question. Here, for example, 5.007 bar. Now how can we change this question? Here, this decimal, first you should write 5007 and then number which is not under the bar, 500. So you should subtract 500 here, 7, 0, here 10, here 4. So subtract, you will get 5, here 4. Means 4507 by, how many digits are there under the bar? Only one digit, so only 19. And then after the point, how many digits are there without bar? Means without under the bar, here 2 digits are there, whether they are zeros, 1, 2, whatever it is. After the digits, after the point, 2 digits are not under the bar, that's why you should write 2 zeros. One more question. 1.4765. Here we can write these 2 bars. So how can we write this one? 14,700 without bar and without point, you should write this one. 14765. Remove bar and point. And without under the bar and without bar 147 is there, so you subtract 147. And then how can we get, how much you get? 15 minus 7 means 8. Here 1 bar gone, so 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Here 7 minus 1, 6, 4 and 1. So this one you should write 14618 by how much? Can you guess? Yes. Under the bar, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So 2 nines. And without bar, 2 more decimal points are there. So 2 more zeros. Is it understood? This trick is most important for your competitive exams and objective type bits and fill in the blanks also. Okay. All the best. Thank you very much and subscribe my channel.